Oh, hello. Bonjour, monsieur.
Look at that.
Unbelievable, isn't it? And I tell you what's interesting. The crew, using all those 4x4s, they've made it, yeah? But so have we.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Some damage was done.
That's just wear and tear.
It's patina.
It's what happens. I think the French might be right.
I think they are right.
I've just had a thought.
What?
Your dishwasher.
Oh, God, my dishwasher, because Hammond drove into me.
Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I wasn't
Where's your
concentrating.
boot release?
Ah,
Is it in the door?
yes. Right.
That's a design flaw.